Hey y'all, today I'm making the coolest southern cake. I've got a box of this pineapple supreme and 4 eggs. Look at all different colors. This one's even got freckles. Can of sliced mandarin oranges. You can use it in the juice or in the light syrup, but we're not gonna drain it. We're gonna take the whole thing, pour that all in. Our last ingredient is some vegetable oil. We're gonna be getting just a 1/4 cup of that. Get your trusty electric mixer, and you're gonna mix this for a couple of minutes. By using an electric mixer, it breaks up all those mandarin orange pieces, so it becomes this pineapple orange cake. It's so good. This is a 9 by 13 pan that I have greased. I'm just gonna pour this whole thing in there. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour to 40 minutes, depending on your oven. Got a tub of extra creamy Cool Whip, 2 cans of crushed pineapple that I've also drained. Mix this together. Bring in that cake. Look at how it looks so good. This is a cake that I learned when I was in college in the South. Smooth this all over the top. And do one more decorating to make sure everybody remembers the oranges that were in there. So I've got these orange candies. Pop those in there. Go ahead and do a little taste test. Ooh, look at that. Wow, this is like so light. It's delicious. It is so good. It is so light. It is so fluffy, pineapple-y, buttery. Y'all need to make this. This is delicious.